to Sassy Blessings Co. DIY. Today we're going to be learning how to make felt roses. But be sure to check out our Etsy shop because remember, if you don't want to DIY it, you can always buy it. So I'm going to get started by tracing some packaging tape. I find that makes a really nice pattern. And then after I cut it out in felt, I'm going to be going around with some sharp scissors, starting at the edges and staying pretty close to the edge, and then gradually going out from the edge as I cut in a snail type circular pattern. So you can see I'm starting to get farther and farther away until I come to the end here. And I just leave a little bit of space in the end, and you can see how that comes together as I swirl it back. And like I said, it looks similar to that snail's pattern. Now I'm starting at the very tip of that spiraled pattern, and I am rolling this because these particular type of roses are called felt rolled roses, and just kind of gathering it slowly as I go along. And you can see I'm just re-spiraling it back. And right before you finish, you're going to go ahead and get your hot glue ready and be liberal with the glue so that it really stays, and then you'll just secure it into place. I also find that I need to add a little bit of glue to the side edge right there of the rose, just to make sure that it's really secure and it doesn't fall apart on me. And there you go, there's a look at it. Now I also like to add some leaves to my rose, so I went ahead and made a pattern for my leaf, that's what it looks like, and then cut that out of the felt. So I'm just going to add a little bit of hot glue after I decide how I want to position my rose, right onto the felt, and just press that for a few seconds until it cools. And then I'm going to do the same thing to the sides of the leaves, pressing them on the side of the rose. And now what I'll do is add this to a hair clip or possibly a wreath and just make a really beautiful creation. Be sure to join us next time when I show you how to line a hair clip in case you decide to make these for Valentine's Day for a little accessory. I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for tuning in.